Game on! I'm bringing the cheer and the style this IPL season with my favorite team and my favorite brand Bella Vita Luxury. Bring on the fire like Dinesh Karthik with Fire by Bella Vita Luxury in just 299. Be the most wanted like Virat Kohli with Dawn by Bella Vita Luxury. Be a bad boy like Rohit Sharma with Sin. A fragrance so good that not using it would be the ultimate sin. Get in the game, smell like a winner with Dawn Fire and Sin by Bella Vita Luxury. Buy one, get one free in just rupees 299. Don't miss out on this.